Vamos ver. O que ele falou?
Continua a waterfall coming.
De onde está vindo a água? Ele tá perguntando.
Ah, da rua. Street. Água de chuva.
Aqui tem um cano furado ali.
Ah, ali. Mas essa água aqui é de chuva, é mais gota.
Não, a água, não, é que tem uma água fora ali, saindo da parede, espirrando, guichando. Essa água que ele quer saber.
She prepared that place for you, Gurudev. She prepared that place. Anuradha Didi. Chama ali.
Ele quer lá no rua.
Traz rápido, rápido.
Tadinho.
Onde que ele quer, gente?
Quer bloquear a rua.
Ah, ali dentro. Vai.
Ele trouxe
Lá,
uma
aquele-
colcha pra ele, uma colcha pra
Tá, cadê a água vinda?
Da frente, quem sabe. Também o professor dela.
Não, ele vai ser. Bota o verde embaixo também.
Bota o verde embaixo desse.
Deixa eu botar o verde embaixo desse
Cadê o...
Precisa de
Você
mais
tá
um
com?
aí, ó. Precisa de mais aí pra você? Não.
Não,
Tá bom
essas
isso aí?
são deles mesmo. É tudo seguro deles.
Anorada, o tripé você tava segurando?
Aí eu peguei os plásticos. Olha, eu trouxe um forno para pôr para nós aqui. Cadê o forno? Eu trouxe plástico. Ó. Chamarei.
Estou fazendo pergunta para você. Não bloqueei a passagem, vou falar.
Cadê a Anorada? Minha bolsa.
Oi.
Minha bolsa.
Você foi para frente por baixo?
Eu vou também, começa a falar.
Ia fazer dentro, ele tem boa não.
Dá pra passar aí.
Falou que não pode ser muita gente porque esse horário. Not so many people coming here with this time, Gurudev. It's okay.
One people will come, they will disturb. Not so many, one people
What is it?
that is one people will disturb shouted. Eh? Not many people, one people.
São 107 e no Facebook também.
What is your question, Fala?
So, the other day you said, a few days ago, you said that we need to chant a fixed number of rounds in the Japamala. But my mind is disturbed by this you said, because I'm thinking, if for example I'm chanting 16 rounds, I cannot chant anymore, maybe 18, 20, before I start chanting 32 or 48, 64.
No, fixed round you chant. Actually, you take walk every day. I will chant 16 rounds. Okay, you chant, not less. If you chant more, this is not problem.
Okay.
But every day fixed. More is no problem. Yeah, simple. Not less than 16 rounds. Every day have to chant how many rounds? 16 rounds. At least 16 rounds. These are things. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, simple.
What, you've been talking the importance of learning shlokas. What is the best or the perfect process to learn the shlokas and then understand them?
You learn the slokas in sequence in our Gaudiya Kantahar, the book. Gaudiya Kantahar explain all the tattvas sequence you can learn. As like that is called Guru Tattva, Vaishnava Tattva, Jiva Tattva, Maya Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, sequence. This is the best. Then easy to speak Harikatha. Yeah. You understand? So for this regard, you can learn slokas from, they also manifest one book, Slokamritam. This is good also. Yeah. Understand?
What's the other one? Comes from
Gaudiya Kantahar. This is the time of Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada. On the disciple of Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, he manifested this book, Gaudiya Kantahar. And Gurudev also, Sri Narayana Goswami Maharaj also manifested same, also Gaudiya Kantahar. The English also now. Because all the philosophy you can understand. Then, if you give the any subject when speak about Guru Tattva, then all Guru Tattva slokas are there collected. So, not so difficult to go here and there to collect this. The already collection is there. So you can learn and very easy to express your heart about Guru Tattva, Vaishnava Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, Krishna Tattva, Prema Tattva, Radha Tattva. Easy? Or anyone? Huh?
She wants to know why Srimati Radhika and Krishna's hands are red color.
Why the hands of Radha and Krishna are red color?
Red color. Your hand is what color? Yellow color. Why Radha Krishna's hand red color? Why not? The question is gone. Huh? Actually, that is called pink color. That is called anurag. Radha Krishna's hands, actually that is called what color? Pink color. Pink color, that is called the symptom of anurag, deep attachment with each other's, Radha and Krishna. Understand? What is the symptom of anurag? What is the symptom of anurag? Prasparanu Snehabandhanam Darsana Atriptata. The symptom of anurag, that is called, they are so deeply attached to each others. A second, they completely bind with their divine love. That is called Prema Bandhan. This thing. And they never satisfied, even they thousand times or 1,000 days of Brahma, if they see to each other and they are not satisfied. They are thinking only again and again take darshan to Lord. Darshan to, not Lord, darshan to each others. That is called, the Sanskrit word, that is called darshane atriptata. They are not satisfied to take darshan. In this material world, one thing you take see, there may be 1, 2 times, 3 times you are not interested. Understand? Because in this material everything is also changeable. And that changeable also are degrading. Degrading, understand? But in transcendental world, Radha Krishna's, their form also, that is called Nitya Navayanman. Always ever fresh, beautiful. Ever fresh, beautiful. For this regard, Nitya Navayanman, very beautiful and attractive. And in this material, everything is degrading. That is called Khaishun, meaning diminishing. And even you see that you are very happy when you see the sun, a moon. In the full moon, Purnima, moon is very beautiful. The next day, and what is called? Wasting. This going down. Then after 14 days, the moon will be, Amavasya, the darkness will come. But Radha Krishna's, their face is what? Always ever fresh and always look like full moon. Understand? So for this regard, they eager to take darshan to each others. Give an example. We are singing this song. What is song? Sri Mukha Chandra Chakora. Radha Mukha Chandra Chakora. Srimati Radhika's face is as like moon, or Krishna is as like chakurvars. Or opposite, Srimati Radhika's, Krishna's face is as like full moon, or Srimati Radhika's eyes as like chakori, one kinds of birds, very small birds. There is a skylark. They are always be eager to drink the rays of the moon. Night time they also fly. So that is called Chakor and Chakori. For the Radhe Krishna Govinda Gopala Nanda Dulala Jasoda Dulala Jaya Jaya Deva Hari Jaya Jaya Deva Hari Jaya Jaya Deva Hari Radhe Krishna Govinda Gopala Nanda Dulala Jasoda Dulala जय जय देव हरे, जय जय देव हरे, जय जय देव हरे. Then what is called? Chandra Chakora, Sri Mukha, Chandra Chakora, Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Then we are giving the akhar extra words, Radha Mukha, Chandra Chakora, Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. So I am saying it because Srimati Radhika and Krishna's lotus hand and lotus feet, which color? Pink color. Pink color, that is called symptom of anurag, deep attachment to each other. Anurag. Anurag. Understand? Gaur Premanand. Then, what's the question?
Muitos devotos estão falando que não vão tomar a vacina da Covid porque a vacina pode ter um chip, eles acabam pegando muitas informações no Facebook, essas coisas. E eu queria saber que conselho o senhor daria para nós devotos. Nós devemos tomar a vacina? O senhor vai também tomar a vacina da Covid ou não?
What do you say?
Because the many devotees are talking there, they will not take the vaccine against COVID-19. They will not take. Many devotees are saying they will not take because they are saying in this vaccine maybe some chip to track all the people. Like they are doing this to track the people.
Sheep?
Like a card, like some electronic device, like they put in your skin, somehow inside your body, to track you and all your activities. And then, so what's your advice? Do you think the devotees should take this vaccine, and you will take this vaccine?
This is the depend on the doctor. Doctor is saying. We are not doctor. The doctor, what you will advise should be follow. Understand? Many people, they are saying many things also. Or if you not take the vaccine, how to protect from this virus? Depend on you and how much your strength and bodily, what is called?
Immune system.
Immune system. These things. You have to take advice, your physician, doctor, what is good, what is bad, these things. And government is taking test, then giving this, what is the action is, what is going on. You understand? What is it?
Prajendananda Shyama Sundar, he never leaves Vrindavan. Prajendananda Shyama Sundar Krishna never leaves Vrindavan. And so, how is that Mathura Dish or Dwarka Dish Krishna, they're feeling separation, Krishna is feeling separation from the gopis. If Krishna Prajendananda Shyama Sundar never left Vrindavan, the other Krishnas, they were not in Vrindavan.
अरे फर्स्ट तत्व सिद्धांत कृष्ण ही इज वन, दैट कॉल्ड इनकंसेबल, एंड इन हिज इनकंसेबल ही इज वन. अचिंत भेदाभेद तत्व दर्शन. अचिंत भेदाभेद मीन्स इज वन. द डिफरेंस एंड नॉन डिफरेंस, दैट इज कॉल्ड इनकंसेबल. Simultaneously difference or simultaneously indifference. That is called Veda and Abhed. This is called Achinta Veda Vedabhed Tattva. Ekameva Parama Tattvam Sahavike Achinta Sakta Sarupa Tadrupa Vaiva Jiva Pradhana Rupena सूर्य मंडल तद रश्मि प्रतिच्छवि रूपेण चतुर्धा अवतिष्ठते. जीव गोस्वामी पाद इन संदर्भ very clearly explain about this philosophy, Achinta Bhedabhed Tattva, Achinta Tattva. Achinta means those who are beyond of our material conception. That is called Achinta Tattva. Lord, he is called Achinta. Bhagavan, he is called Achinta. So Krishna, he is one. So far this regard, say Eko Meva Parama Tattvam, he is one. And he is called Param Tateka Meva Parama Tattvam, he is one. He is called also non-dual. Advaita, not Dvaitam iti Advaitam, he is non-dual. But his inconceivable potency, he manifests four forms. His own Sarup, Varinandan Samsundar Sarup, and his Tadrup Vaibhav, his other expansion. Understand? These things also. Swayam Roop, Tadekatma Roop, Avesh. Swayam Roop again to Swayam Roop and Swayam Prakash. So now come to say Lord Krishna, he is one, but he manifested many forms. In this verse, so actually there are no difference. Varinandan Samsundar Krishna, Dwarkadhish Krishna or Mathuradhish Krishna, he is one. But according to the Lila Vaichitra, Lila Vaichitra means
Diversity of the Lila.
The diversity of his sweet pastimes. He manifests three forms. Varinandan Samsundar, and then Mathuradhish Krishna, then Dwarkadhish Krishna. But person is one. Actually give an example, one person, three jobs. He is lawyer, he is doctor, or he is businessman. Can do. So he is doctor. When he goes to hospital, there is dress change or not? What change? This white cloth and this doctor. Everybody called him doctor. Same person when he goes to the court, everybody called him lawyer. Or same person, he has maybe another business. Understand? He goes in the market, his business. That time he is not wearing the doctor dress or lawyer dress. That time he is as a businessman. Understand? Indian businessmen, they are putting dhuti, and very simple, and put one gamcha around it. Everybody can say he is businessman. But person is same or not? Different dress, and that time different name are giving. Doctor, lawyer, businessman. Look this thing. In the same way, Krishna is same. He manifests in three forms in here. Just I explain this called Vrindavan, Varinandan Samsundar. He dress different. Gopavesh Venukar. Or Mathuradhish Krishna, that time he also two hands, but no peacock feather, no flute. But when Krishna manifests in Dwaraka, that time no flute, no peacock feather. That time mostly Dwaraka, Krishna he manifests his four arms. Understand? Dwaraka, Mathura sometimes very rare Krishna manifests four arms. But in Dwaraka, Krishna mostly manifests his four arms, Chaturbhuj. But sometimes also Dibhuj. Kabhu Dibhuj, Kabhu Chaturbhuj. So now coming this way, person is same but dress change, then different. So Vrindavan Krishna, he lives in Vrindavan, this is true. But his expansion to, who is that? Dwarkadhish and Mathurādhish. So same person feeling or not? If you are doctor, if your mother died, you are crying or not? Or if you are lawyer, your mother died, you crying or not? If you are a businessman, your mother died, you crying or not? Feeling is same, their dress difference. Though this example not perfect because this is the material example, but try to understand the person is same because this is called Achinta Bheda Vedave Tattva. So this way. So for this regard, according to Lila Vaishishta, Lila Madhurya, Lila Vaishishta, then Dwarkadhish Krishna or Mathurādhish Krishna feel separation from Srimati Radhika or Gopis. This is simpler. But all these examples I also told, this is not perfect. Just according to our understanding. So we are speaking this way. Understand this? Bharanandan Samsundar, he resides in Vrindavan. So saying the Vrindavanam Paritajjam Padamekam na gacchati. Vrindavan Krishna, he resides in Vrindavan and he does not never steps out from Vrindavan. He is staying in Vrindavan. Then his two expansion, that is called Mathurādhish or Dwarkadhish. And this way was same Srimati Radhika is also this. Vrishabhanandini Srimati Radhika, she is always staying with Bharanandan Samsundar in Vrindavan. Sometimes visible, sometimes invisible. And Srimati Radhika too, her two expansion. That is called Sanjogini Radha and that is called Viyogini Radha. Or what is called Kama and Bama, use this word. So now coming in this way, without separation, prem will not increase. For this regard, Jogmaya, that means Krishna Lila Sakti. They are actual Krishna's Lila Sakti. The potency of Krishna Lila Sakti, she arranged this way. Because Krishna performs all his activities with his Lila Sakti. Understand? Actually, who is Lila Sakti? Origin Lila Sakti, that is called Srimati Radhika herself. That is called Sarup Sakti, Sarupani Srimati Radhika. So Radhika's many expansion form, Lila Sakti, different Saktis, they also activities. This is the things. In this way, you may understand how Vrindavan Krishna, Dwarkadhish Krishna or Mathurādhish Krishna feeling separation from Braj Gopis. This is the or if Krishna, Dwarkadhish Krishna, Mathurādhish Krishna would not manifested their Viraha Bhav. So how possible and sadhak will realize the Radha Krishna's their Viraha? This is also another thing. Because Viraha is very important. Viraha means separation. No bina vipralambeno sambhoga pushti masnute jatha ranjita kasayate vastra. Nabina vipralambha. Without vipralambha separation, prem will not increase. For this regard, Yogamaya she arranged this way. Krishna is feeling separation from Brajgopi Srimati Radhika. These things. So this is the Leela is going on this way. Understand or not? Not understand, but listen again and again. Again and again you are asking same question, or again and again I am giving same answer to you. This is good also. But everything you may understand when you do bhajan and sadhan, chanting holy names, that is called self-realization will come. Atma anubhuti will come. Everything you may cannot understand, just the knowledge. Understand? You understand something, do bhajan and sadhan. One is tattva-gyan.
No, one question.
Tattva-gyan will come. Now we are listening, this is called tattva-gyan. Just I will explain. Srimati Radhika, Vishwananandini Srimati Radhika, she is origin. Her two expansion. One is called Kama, another is called Bama. Or one is called Sangyogini, another is called Vyogini. This name.
Kama in Brahma, what is Kama in Brahma?
É a mesma, só do nome diferente.
But who is Kama and who is Brahma? Samyogini?
Sangyogini Radha, that is called Kama. Vyogini Radha, that is called Bama. This is the thing. Different name. Actually, same. What is it?
The Larita Das is asking, where can I find the 25 verses from Bhagavad Gita that are essential to know that Srila Maharaj spoke about some time ago? She's asking.
Many days
Yeah.
When you surrender to me, then I will tell. No need to tell. If you promised, you will learn the sloka, then I will tell. Otherwise, why you waste my time?
Maharaj, different kinds of surrender or only one surrender in Guru?
What?
Different kinds of surrender to Guru or only one? When we say surrender to Guru, is just surrender to Guru or it's step by step? How you can explain surrender to Guru?
Actual surrender means is what? I completely offer myself to you. That is actually called the anukulasa sankalpa pratikulasa vivarjam rakshito visaso guptite varnam tada atma nikhipa karpanya saravidha saranagati. English word you are saying, but actually saranagati, surrender. There are 6 limbs of surrender, saranagati. Which are favorable for bhakti will accept, or those who are unfavorable for bhakti should be reject. Anukulasa sankalpa pratikulasa vivarjam. Rakhisati, Krishna is my protector. Or 4th, Krishna is my maintainer. 3rd, Atma Nikhep. Offer your heart to Krishna. Never take back. Understand? This is very important. So, when you receive Nam Diksha from Guru always and making bhav to you, what is bhav? Never give up Guru or never give up Harinam. This is the bhav. Always I am using this word. It is very hard words for you, but this is true. What is that? Guru is not as like your girlfriend or boyfriend. Maybe you have experience. I am Indian, I have no experience. In your life, many Huh? Boyfriend, girlfriend, coming, going. And even end of your life. Huh? You have all your experience, I know. All you are saying, I am not saying. Huh? In your life, coming, going. Huh? And every time you go, I am giving heart to you and again take it back. Both are saying and not. When what is called lover and beloved or boy, young girl, they are meeting together, they are showing this word. What is saying? I give to you. Both are saying. Yeah? Then after a few days, few months, few years, finish. I love you, then I hate you, I kill you. This is should not this way. Guru is not this. Always I am very strict and little bit harsh words, but if I am not harsh words, strong words, how you thinking, okay, same. So this is Saranam is Saranagati. Anukulasa Sankalpa Pratikulasa Vivarjanam Rakhisato Visaso Guptite Varanang Tatha Atman Nikhepa Karpanne. Karpanna means always very humble. Always be humble. What is the humble? Amaro samano. Kya song? You can say hin nahi if ye sangsari. You can say internet. This song Amaro samano hino nahi ke sangsari. You find out. Very soon. That means sadhak always will think, I am very wretched, unqualified. Amaro samano. Amaro samano hino nahi e sangsare. Asya achi. Nakia, what is it? Read.
Amara samana hina nahi e sansare.
अस्थिर होएछि परि भव पारावारे. आमार समान हीन नाही ए संसारे अस्थिर होएछि परि भव पारावारे. There is no one in this world as wretched as I am. Having fallen into the vast ocean of material existence, I have become most agitated. Look this. This is very important. That means sadhak, this is called the word. Always very humble. Even if we have many qualifications, always this way. Amaro samana hino nahi e sangsare astira hoyechi pori bhava paravare. Kuladevi Jogamaya more kripa kori avarana sambaribe kabe biswa udari. Sunechi agama bedar mahima tomar Shri Krishna vimukhe bandhi karao sangsar. Shri Krishna sammukha jar bhagya krame hoy tare mukti diya karo asoko abhay. Edase janani kori koitava daya Vrindavane. Edase janani kori akoitava daya Vrindavane deha stan tumi Jogamaya. This is always very humble. This is called Saranagati, surrender. This is the things. Saranagati, then very easy to attain your perfection goal. Understand? Given a baby completely surrender with his mother or no? Maybe not father. Understand? Sometimes devotees say, I am taking care of my baby. When is mother coming, baby forget to me. Understand? Running up. Because this is the spontaneous nature of the baby. Surrender to mother. This is that. Because mother's love is what? And unparalleled. This is the things. This is true or wrong? In the same way, transcendental world, Guru and Krishna, their love is unique and unparalleled. Do you understand? Surrender means if you offer, you cannot take back. Swaha. What is saying? Taking one wood and offering is where? Fire. That is called swaha. Swa means atma. Ha means to offer. So this is the actual our spiritual life. Otherwise spiritual life nothing. Ayaram or Gayaram. Ayaram Gayaram means is coming, going, coming, going. Understand? Actual very harsh words actually have to speak everything. That is called one kind of prostitute love. And prostitute love, understand? What is the prostitute love? If money and facilities, then love, then kicked out. Chalo.
More money.
Prostitute love. Useless. Stupid nonsense. Paramarthik is yours. So you are asking, surrender, this is actual this one. And Saranagati. Saranagati, actually this is the platform our spiritual life. After Saranagati, then develop your bhajan and sadhana. Srimad Bhagavad Gita discourses these things. What discourses? Saranagati. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam braja aham tvang sarvapibho mokshami ma sucha. Understand? Krishna says this Bhagavad Gita. For the organization, first to read Bhagavad Gita. Sarvadharman parityajya, giving up all kinds of dharma and inconceivably and what is called without condition. What is called unconditionally surrender to me. Then I will take my responsibility. This is. So when Srimad Bhagavad Gita, then coming in is what? Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam discourses Samandha, Avidya and Prayojan Tattva. What Tattva? Samandha Tattva, Avidya Tattva and Prayojan Tattva. Samandha. Samandha means knowledge of a relationship. Samandha Tattva. I serve to Krishna. Surrender to Krishna, then I serve. You surrender to Guru, then serve to Guru. But how to serve to Guru? Need one knowledge of relationship, there is Samandha Gyan. So he is saying the verse, Samandha laya bhaje, tare Krishna nahi taje, har sab more akaran. One who attains Samandha Gyan, never he fall down. Understand? This is the main thing, Samandha Gyan. So Srimad Bhagavatam discourses about Samandha. Or then simultaneously explain how to serve to Krishna. You serve to Krishna which way? Dasya bhav, Sakha bhav and Vatsala bhav and Madhurya bhav. Actually Srimad Bhagavatam discourses 4 moods are there. Dasya, Sakha and Vatsala bhav. Dasya bhav, Raktapatrak, they serve to Krishna. Sakha bhav, Subal Sridham, they serve to Krishna with their friendship mood. Understand? Or Vatsala bhav, Nanda Jasoda, they serve to Krishna. Then Madhurya bhav, Singar Ras, Singaras also divided into, one is called Sakya and another is called Parakya. The relation between wife and husband, that is in Dwaraka, Mahishi's mood. Mahishi is the wife of Krishna in Dwaraka, the queens, Rukmini, Satyabhama, Nagnajita, and etc. Or Braj Gopi's mood, that is called Parakya Bhav. And transcendental Braj Paramur mood. They serve gopis. And gopis, they serve to Krishna with their transcendental Paramur mood, not material, stupid nonsense. Understand? Always using Aprakita and Parakyatva Bhav, not material Parakyatva. This is the things. So Srimad Bhagavatam discourses these things. For this guy, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, he composed this verse. What is the verse? Aradhu Bhagavan Brajesha Tanayam Taddhamang Vrindavanam Ramma Kachid Pasana Brajavudhu Vargana Jakalpitam Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanamalang Prema Pumartamahan Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhur Matamidang Tatraduru Naparaha. What is the meaning? Fala. Portuguese.
Esse verso fala que Aradhya Bhagavan Brajesha Tanayas, que a nossa Aradhya Deva, a nossa deidade adorável, mais elevada é para quem não chama Sundara Shri Krishna Vrindavana. Da mesma maneira, Tadhama Vrindavana, a sua morada transcendental, Vrindavana é a mais adorada. E Ramyakati Upasana Vrajavadhu Vargena Yakalpita, o método de adoração das gopis é o método mais elevado. Isso é estabelecido no Srimad Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam Pramana Mamalam. Bhagavatam é evidência e nada pode ser limitado dele, é a evidência imaculada. Srimad Bhagavatam Pramana Mamalam Prema Pumarta Mahavir. Lá é descrito sobre esse prema mais elevado das gopis. Então, Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Mathamidam Tatradaru Naparaha. Essa é a opinião de Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, não existe nada que está além disso.
Understand? Gaur Premanand.
Quando a gente vê um devoto que está no bar, bebendo, bêbado, com cantimala, e esse devoto ele é um senhor e ele se intitula Brahmana, escala Thakuraji de outras filosofias do hinduísmo. O que fazer?
What is saying?
For example, when we walk on the street and we see we are on the street and then there's a pub and you come in front of the pub and you see someone
Pub.
There, and someone there drinking alcohol, completely drunk, but this person is wearing kantimala and this person calls himself a brahmana, and even he also installs Thakurjis from other like Hindu dharma philosophies like this. What should we do when we see?
One who drinks alcohol also keeping the Tulasi Mala in the pub.
In the pub, also calling himself a brahmana and also installing.
He is calling Brahman is a stupid nonsense. Nonsense people can speak anything. How possible he is Brahmana? He is not Brahmana. He is less than Sudra. Sudra is good also. Because he is not cheating. Because he is Sudra, he is saying a Sudra, cheating. Are those who also keeping Tulasi Mala, Kanti Mala and drinking alcohol or stupid nonsense, that is called he is cheating the people. Actually he is more than what is called Sudra. Understand? It should be reject. This is the things.
Could you comment? Could you comment about this verse of Bhagavad Gita? I would like to ask you about this verse of Bhagavad Gita. Yatad agrevishaniva pariname mritopanam.
You can put this Sanskrit.
Sanskrit. English. Oh, in Portuguese.
Portuguese.
That thing that in the beginning seems like poison, and the end is like nectar, is the cause of the despertar,
So to the middle,
the
this
awakening.
Sanskrit sloka. Sorry.
Tem Sânscrito aí embaixo?
No, not in Sanskrit. Let me see other.
Huh?
Procura no Google isso.
Colocar no verdadeiro aparece.
No verdadeiro que eu botei. Yeah. Achou? Não. Yatad Agre. É isso? O sânscrito é isso?
Só escreve Devanagari.
Mas não tem aqui no
Okay,
verdadeiro.
when you will room, then you can show to me.
Okay.
Another question, follow. I have only 20 minutes, then go.
Maharaj, one question. What is the most low position?
Huh?
What is the most low position? The Brahmana that drink alcohol or the devotee that make Vaishnava Parat? What is lowest?
What's the lower position? The Brahmana who drinks alcohol or Vaishnava Parada Brahmana?
Or Vaishnava Parat?
Vaishnava Parad is very, very dangerous. Huh? Yeah. Huh? Follow.
Eu tenho uma pergunta sobre karma. Eu queria se ele pudesse explicar o que é karma coletivo. E uma vez eu me lembro dele dando Harikata e ele falou assim, por exemplo, se uma mãe está cuidando de um filho e o filho fica com febre à noite e ela tem que passar a noite acordada cuidando do filho, isso não era necessariamente o karma dela, é o karma do filho, mas ela tem que sofrer. Mas eu fiquei meio confusa porque a gente sempre ouve falar que tudo é reação nossa. Então eu pensei, se isso também não seria o karma dela de ser mãe desse filho também. Como é isso? Se ele poderia explicar um pouco mais, por favor.
What is it?
She's asking you to please explain more about samasti karma, collective karma. One time in Harikatha, she remembers you gave an example of, for example, a mother and her kid. And her son becomes like sick and has fever, and then the mother needs to take care of the son. So it's not her karma, but the son has the karma to be sick, but she is also involved because she must take care of him. But she was wondering, but if it's not only also the karma of the mother to have that kind of baby and have that baby and to be suffering also that, so if you could explain this further.
Two kinds of karma. Just you also explain this to Bhaktivinoda Thakur explain. One is called Vyastigata karma, another is called Samastigata karma. Vyastigata means individual karma. What you are doing, that is your Vyastigata karma. Pap or Punna both. Or Samastigata collective karma, bad or work. When you are staying together, that is some action and reaction coming. Understand? These are things. So that is called Vyasti and Samastigata karma. And if your son will become sick, your mind will disturb or not. So you come, why your son becomes sick? That is his own karma. Understand? He is sick. Sometimes, and baby also that is called from his birth and very sick or blind or is called what is called lame, because his previous karma. But coming to you also that collective coming, and you are feeling and unhappiness, kasta and these things. This is not your karma, because everybody's karma individual. But when that time samasti karma is coming, this is the thing. And you are okay, but this is a virus, not with the other virus affected to yours or not. You understand or not? What is it?
Ele está explicando que tem dois tipos de karma. Um chama samasti karma, que é o karma coletivo, e outro chama vyasti gata karma, que é o karma individual. Então ele falou que, por exemplo, se você tem um filho, seu filho fica doente, Então você não está sofrendo diretamente, mas porque ele sofre, você está compartilhando o karma dele de sofrer. Na verdade, esse karma não é seu, né? Porque ele deu exemplo, por exemplo, um bebê pode nascer cego, pode nascer aleijado. Isso é o quê? O karma individual dele. Mas no momento que você entra em contato com ele está junto de você, você começa a compartilhar o mesmo, você compartilha esse sofrimento. Isso chama karma coletivo. Ele falou igual o vírus. Às vezes você não está com o vírus vem de outra pessoa para você e te afeta. Ou seja, não é seu, não é individual, né? Ele vem de outra pessoa, mas ele te afeta.
Understand? This simple. What is your question?
Gurudeva falou no Harikatha há pouco tempo atrás que quem tem as opulências é bonito, é rico, é famoso, inteligente, nasce em família elevada, né? Essa pessoa dificilmente tem gato. E quem não tem nenhuma dessas características, por que tem dificuldade de tentar? O que mais é?
Just the other day in the kata, you were telling that if the person has like Janma, Shri, all these things,
Janma, Sri, Aishwarya.
Aishwarya, the person is very difficult to perform bhakti. But some people, they don't have any of these 4 things for the ego, but still it's very difficult to attain bhakti. So, could you explain this about the
Because if there is a false ego is coming automatically. Everybody have false ego. Even the Murakha. Murakha means foolish. Foolish also is false ego. Pandit also false egos. I am Pandit, I know everything. Actually, this is not true. In the same way, Murkha also is false ego. False ego is always everywhere. So, even you have no 4 things, that is called aristocracy, family, birth, janma, opulence, maybe no money, penniless, and maybe not knowledge, gyan, and 4th, beauty. But 6 are false egos coming. Those who have the 4 things, also they are false egos, and who have not so false egos. But generally, these 4 things are there. They cannot do bhajan and sadhana. And precisely we have lot of wealth of money, cannot do bhajan and sadhana. Even you are not 3 things. Maybe you are not beauty, maybe you are nice, beautiful putana, beautiful putana. Maybe in more knowledge, and maybe you are not high class. But if you have lot of wealth of money, that is also very dangerous. Because money can control. Understand?
Money power.
Sometimes money controls the 3 persons. Who is the 3 persons? Beautiful persons, knowledge person, and high birth. We see, and in the ancient time, most of that the king, emperor, understand? Maybe emperor he has no knowledge, understand? But he control the people, and with his money, and understand? He is also keeping the what is called wise person, knowledge person. Okay, I am giving the money to you. So you have to do this. And in our history, that is called Chandragupta and Chanakya. This is something this. History also explains this. The king has a lot of wealth of money. Understand? And he controls the people with his money and keeping the people. And these are the things. Money is very powerful. British government, how they ruled the whole world? With the money. Understand? They control the people with the money. Okay, I am giving a lot of money to you. You have to work on behalf of me. Understand these things. those are the cream of the society. They also collect the cream of the society. Cream of the society, understand? As like doctor, lawyer, buddhijivi, they control. Okay, I am giving $1 million to you. You have to work in this way. So that doctor, lawyer completely what? That is called faith dog. Dog. Under control. So money, this is what they. How British government, whole world control with the money. They don't know the language. Understand? But they capture the cream of the society. These people. Then they slowly they capture. Understand? This is the process. Money, this is very powerful. If you have a lot of money, then you can capture. And you capture the very nice, beautiful, young, beautiful girl. What is it called? Miss Universe. This is it. You see the history and ancient time king, how they capture the three categories of them. And okay, you are Pandita. You stay in my courtyards. But how much money do you want? I give you. You stay. Understand this thing? And what is God? In Srimad Bhagavatam also explain this way. What is his name? What is the story? Parikshit Maharaj. You have to die to bite with a takshak. And that time, what is his name? Who control the what is it called? Snake poison? What is his name? And Vaidya, he can. If the takshak bite to Parikshit Maharaj, then that person, with his mantra, what is his name? Just I forget. With his mantra, he will alive. He will make alive to Parikshit Maharaj. You understand? Arim, what is his name? Many times I am saying, but you forget. What is his name? Vaidya, understand this. Okay. So he is coming. Who is coming? Who controls the poison of the snake charmer? This is it. Then Takshak is thinking, so I cannot bite to Parikshit Maharaj. Then Brahma Sahib will be failed. Curse of Brahman Sahib will fail. So for this regard, Takshak manifested one person. He asked to him, hey, where are you going? I am going in the courtyards of Parikshit Maharaj. Because today Takshak will bite him. Or when Takshak will bite, then with my mantra, I will alive to Parikshit Maharaj. That time he told, possible, your mantra? Yes. Okay, they gave one tree and full of flowers, fruits, and nest, birds is there. Then Takshak said, okay, I am biting with my poison. This tree will be completely what? Burned. You can alive? Well, of course. And then Takshak bite the trees which completely full of flowers and then that tree completely what? Burn in ashes. Then that person, I forget this name. What is his name? He also with his mantra, again he arrived the trees. Then he become very surprised. Or you are going to courtiers of king. If king will alive, what things he will give to you? And what donation you will want? Well, the king will give me millions golden coin. And okay, take me from me. I am giving to you. No need to go. Kodiyas Parikshit Maharaj. Then he gave to him lot of wealth of money. Then he returned back. Then Parikshit Maharaj came in the courtyards of Parikshit Maharaj and bite him. Why I am saying this is money. In this money he control these people or not? Who has vast of knowledge about this mantra? This way. So money, which we have lot of money, you can control them. And these three persons. What are the three persons? Janma, Sruta, and Sri. And okay, you are aristocracy family. Understand? Understand? So how to control? If you give to money, take money. How much money do you want? $1 million, take $1 million. And come, always stay with me. And you should be as like my pet dog. And always just you go with my left side and right side. Ancient king, they did these things also. Understand? They also did. And you are Brahmana. And okay, stay with me. You are vast of knowledge, stay with me. Understand these things. I like Vikramaditya. And you can see all these. Every country is their kings. They did this way. Money is very powerful. Understand? Nowadays politicians also this way. Very nice famous actors. They are calling, come in my party. Then you will get vote. Then I will give this position to you. Actually he has no knowledge of politician, no knowledge of how to, what is it called?
Rule the society. Rule the society.
Rules of the country. And do you understand? Because they are very nice, famous actors or actress, beautiful and very name. Even these were the, what is it called? Cricket player. Has no knowledge about any, and so what is it called? Rules are coming, government. But he is coming. Okay, I will give. Because he is very famous. People are stupid, nonsense people also, giving vote to him. Then he will become minister. But what will do there? Useless. So politician people in this way and doing this and giving money. Okay. And you are nice actors. How much money you are getting? And in your this type of. Okay, I am giving this money. I am giving this position to you also. Actually, he had no knowledge. And do you understand these things? So money controls. This is the thing. This is the thing. Many businessmen doing this way, this way. So Srimad Bhagavatam this way. How possible to do bhajan and sadhana? So for this regard this.
If we make a Vaishnava parada and we don't know about that, how could we?
If you don't know Vaishnava aparad, you committed who is Vaishnava lotus feet, you don't know. So for the Shastra saying, you chant holy names and cry to Nama Prabhu. Kandiya Kandiya Janaiva Dukkha Gram. And crying, I express my heart. Ohe Vaishnava Thakura Dayaro Sagara Edase Koruna Kori Hare Diya Pada Chaya Sodaye Amare Tomaro Charana Dhori Chaya Begadami Chaya Dosa Sodhi Chaya Guna Deho Dase Hare Chaya Sata Sangha Dehaye Amare Basechi Sange Royase Ekaki Amar Nahi Payo Bolo হরি নাম সংকীর্তনে তুমি কৃপা করি শ্রদ্ধা বিন্দু দিয়া দেহ কৃষ্ণ নাম ধনে হরে কৃষ্ণ সে তোমার কৃষ্ণ দিতে পার তোমার শক্তি আছে আমি তো কাঙাল কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি ভাই তব পাছে পাছে হ্যাঁ if you don't know you committed offenses, let us say which Vaishnava you don't know, so what you will do? You serve to Vaishnava, give what is called donation, Vaishnava seva, that is called Maha Mahotsav. Like Rupa Goswami Pad did this way. Rupa Goswami Pad Mukta Mahapurush, this is true, but teaching to us this way. Rupa Goswami Pad is meditating Radha Krishna's sweet Leela in Kusum Sarovar. Khanja Krishna Das came. Then he is thinking, or Rupa Goswami, he is flapping and joking with me. Actually, he did not see. Rupa Goswami Pad, he did not see the lame man Khanja Krishna Das. But Khanja Krishna Das thinking, he is laughing to me, joking with me. So then Rupa Goswami Pad Leela stop. Then Rupa Goswami Pad asked Krishnatan Goswami Pad, what will do now? And I don't know, I committed which lotus feet, which Vaishnava. And explain this way. That time Sanatana Goswami Pad told, okay, you give big festival. And Mahaprasad. You call to the all Vaishnava Vrindavan and give Mahaprasad. Then Rupa Goswami Pad, he called all the Vaishnavas. Come and take Mahaprasad. Then when he came in the place of cottage of Khanja Krishna Das, then he became very angry. Oh, yesterday I went your place, you laughed and joked with me. That time Rupa Goswami Pad very humbly told, actually I did not see to you. I did not physically see to you. I remembering sweet pastimes and laughing, joking, these things. Please come and take Mahaprasad. Then Khanja Krishna Das, he came in the cottage of Rupa Goswami Pad and took prasad, then his offenses go away. This is the Leela teaching to us. So if you don't know that you committed offenses, which Vaishnava lotus feet? So you, two ways, you serve to Vaishnavas and chant holy names, pray to Nam Prabhu. Then Nam Prabhu will give mercy. This is the process. Take this, finish.
In this past time, I heard once I heard from Vaishnava that for this, how is the name?
Khanja Krishna Das.
He was also making an offense until the Lord speak to Rupa Goswami. You can see it like this also.
He committed offense lotus feet, Rupa Goswami.
Yeah, because he was angry with him and was not real.
This is not mentioned this way. This is the Leela. Khanja Krishna Das also, he is not ordinary person. Just they are doing this Leela. This is that. Leela be this way. What is called? Kanishta Adhikari can commit offense, but that offense is not acceptable. Understand? You are Vaishnava. Or is the mundane people shouted to you, this offense or not? Because mundane person have no knowledge about Vaishnava. So he shouted on, he said, ignore. This is the thing.
Se a pessoa mundana acreditar com você, você não vai estar, porque você não sabe de nada e tal. Então você não vai aceitar essa ofensa.
Understand? Any people understand? This is the thing. what is called Jagai Madhai. Jagai Madhai, they heated the clay pot on the head of Nityananda Prabhu. But Nityananda Prabhu did not take their offenses. You heard many things. First, should not listen everybody's katha. Other your mind will be confused. Understand? Listen Hari Katha from perfect devotee. Otherwise you won't be go, Gurudev, this katha, stupid nonsense katha. Huh? Sometimes you are saying very strictly. No need to listen every katha. Huh? Otherwise you confuse. Huh? Khanja Krishnadas is not ordinary person. They are also Mahapurush Parikar, Rupa Goswami Parikar. Just doing this Leela drama. They are teaching to us. And if they offenses, they are not taking offense. Nityananda, he took offenses from Jagai Madhai or not? Fala. Jagai Madhai, they committed offense or not? But he did not take. If you say this one, if you will say, okay, offense, I accept, okay. Knowingly, unknowingly, if you touch the fire, fire will burn. Because the nature of the fire. But the fire, that is called. And Jada Vastu. Jada means? Inert matter. A Vaishnava is not inert. Vibhuti gives example, all example not proper way. And Vaishnava he knows. Nityananda he knows. Jagai Madhai. They completely intoxicated with alcohol. So they need not take offenses. So that means you cannot say this way. What is his name? Khanja Krishnadas, he committed offense lotus feet of Rupa Goswami. And if you say this way, just according of your arguments, Jukti, but Rupa Goswami did not accept.
But even not accepting,
nothing. Nityananda Prabhu, he did not take offense from Jagai Madhai. Otherwise, how Jagai Madhai they will be purified? Conditioned soul, they have no. Even Jesus he told also. What he will say to others? Jesus, what did he say? Oh my God, Lord, forgive them. They don't know what they are doing. So, even we see the Bible also saying, what will say the Vaishnava philosopher? Is it true or wrong? So, good, Prema.